Hi, hello, Sir Milan Mix Vlog. In real name, Milanio D. Aquino Jr. And a friend is a friend, but a best friend is even better. Happy birthday to the best friend anyone could I ask for, and it's you, Sir Milan. I hope you're happy upon celebrating your birthday sa kabila ng nangyari na pagsubok sa team natin, sa samahan natin. But still, I'm hoping na happy ka pa rin sa pag-celebrate ng birthday mo, nakasama mo kami. I thank you at hindi mo kami tinalikuran. At gusto kong kunin ang pagkakataon na to na I want to say sorry sa mga hindi natin pagkakaintindihan sa team natin. But don't worry, I'm okay now. Naintindihan ko na ang lahat, naliliwanagan na ako. At napagtanto ko na sa kabila ng mga pagsubok na pinagdaanan natin sa team natin, in the end, may makukuha tayong aral na siyang nagpapatibay at nagpapaltatag ng ating samahan. At naniniwala din ako na when there is sorrow, there's happiness. Again and again, Sir Milan, happy birthday. And I want to let you know that you're still my idol, my best friend. Thank you. Happy birthday again. Bye-bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sir Milan. Happy birthday, Sir Milan.